Little marker in Tesla at 584. Good morning, everybody. Happy hump day. We have the Fed meeting today at 2 o'clock. So I'm not anticipating much until then. We're going to do some option plays a little bit later on. I'll try and do them before we leave today. Roblex, front and center on our radar. Roblex already had a nice bounce off of a big level this morning. I want to show you Roblex, guys. 80 was the daily support level. And if you look, we also had a pivot point at 79.60. Bounced off that for a $2.50 trade. So Roblex is on our radar. AUVI, we're taking a little peek at. See if we get down to this 1130 level, maybe 10, but we just have a tiny little bit out there. Mara rallying. Yeah, all right, cancel Mara. Not happening. Bitcoin's ripping up. Bitcoin's ripping up. Bitcoin's written up. We might. Apple perky. Good. We need Apple to go to 135 today. AMC bouncing a little bit. We got some AMC guys out. If we spike down $3 down to this 53.60 level. Someone mentioned Trip earlier this morning. No volume. There's nothing to do right now. PKNG after the bad report yesterday is kind of flat. Not doing anything right here. Just sitting. We'll keep our eyes on it today. We got a little eye on Tesla in case it makes a big bopper down. Everything turned around that was looking on the downside. So kind of just hanging here now. MU. Yes, Micron's looking good early. Give it a chance to set up. SPI, we talked about a little this morning. We'll watch it, but I don't like jumping into these things early in the morning at all. Coin reversed. I guess Bitcoin bounced a little bit. I like coin at that 225 level, but I don't think we're getting down there. Not going to happen. So we're going to let things open nice and slow this morning like we always do. Crypto's all red. All right. Oracle had earnings. That is definitely on our radar. Just had a big bop up in Oracle. Oracle could be a quick short at 79.50, but it's earnings, so let's let it set up. Think or Swim you're having problems with again? You got to be kidding me. So Oracle's on our radar for shizzle. Palantir, again, I like this one long term. I don't see anything to do right now. All right, guys, if you're having problems with Think or Swim, you know the drill. Take it nice and slow in the morning. Cancel your orders. Hang out. See what the next move is. All right. Yeah, a lot of times in the morning, Think or Swim lately has been all messed up. Still like the 84.70. In Roblex, if we spike all the way up there, that could be setting up for a better buy than sell. AUVI. I don't know. I don't like AUVI. Let it do its thing. Nothing to do yet. What are the dots in your charts? These are pivot points. Pivot points. Yeah, let Roblex hang out here a little bit. Maybe a double bottom in Roblex already. ARVL. Let's look. All right, what do we got? 21 in ARVL. All right, we got 21 in 2050. ARVL. I'm going to do it very small. 21 in 2050. See if we get a bounce. Like 2050 better. See what happens at 21 first. AMC, we're good, guys. If we can get another smackdown $1, I like it. You know, if it holds 53.60, we can be a little aggressive. Let's see if we get another $1 down. Like to see it happen fast. So you know that ain't going to happen. Cancel Tesla. That ain't happening. Roblex is dead. AMC just bounced $1. Thanks for jinxing us, guys, in AMC. Workhorse. All right. Again, Workhorse, maybe you grab a little bit. GM. Yeah, I like GM on a trend, guys. 62, 61.80 and GM is good. We'll get it out early. I don't think it's going to be a big mover, but I like 61.80 and GM. Good. APRE. That's a better buy than sell, APRE. Keep your eyes on it. It's a better long, if anything. Roblex is all over the place. Nothing to do right now. NIO and Tesla are ripping. Good for them. XPEV. XPEV just rallied up $1. I like to short an XPEV if we get to 40.70, and it could be setting up for a better buy. Again, it's very early, guys, so I'm not running into anything yet. Lazar. All right. I like to shorten Lazar at 26 if we go in that direction, right? That would be really stretched out up there. Let's do that. Yeah, don't trade shop. Shop is ridiculously insane. AMC. Yeah, let's still give it a minute. I mean, it looks a little weak, AMC. Might be setting up for a better short, but it's very early. So let's watch. I don't think it's going to get to our level. Wow, Baidu just missed a pivot point down there at 183 and change. Yeah, that was close, ADX. ZM. ZM. 364.26. ZM could be a little shortsky, guys. Yes. ZM. 364.20. Again, just do it very, very small. That's a wackadoodle stock, so do it small. But 364.20 is a little level. No pullback in General Motors. That looks like a better buy. ARVL didn't get to the 21 level. Kind of just sitting here. Facebook buy. Where? 334.50 Facebook. I like that. Let's do it. Facebook 334.50. Yep. 334.50. So what does that tell us? We're probably getting a bounce from here. Probably. Mara, plug. That Mara could be setting up for a better buy. Give it a minute. GM, we want to buy on a pullback. ARVL is dead. I don't even like that anymore. Roblex and AMC. Cancel Roblex short. Not happening. GM sells short here. You're shorting a little GM, Solly. 62.90. All right. I don't see much, but okay. AUVI and Plug Power. Plug setting up for a better buy, guys. It's not stretched. It's not doing anything right here. Double bottom Roblex. I like it. 79.50 Roblex is good for a trade. Do it. Roblex double bottom 79.50 is good. Facebook a little bounce. GM is hanging. AMC is dead. Baba Booey. Baba setting up for a better buy than sell. We got a little short up at maybe 211. And Baba. Don't mention NVIDIA to me. I hate NVIDIA. It's sitting right in the middle of everything anyway. Roku. Again, it's early, but certainly could be setting up for a better trend in Roku, right? It's early. All right, Facebook, guys, this popped down. Do it. Do it. I don't want any bounce on Facebook, guys. So I want it right now. Right now. Baba short 210.70. All right, we're in a little Facebook. Facebook will give it like 60 cents. We'll try to sell a little at 80 in Facebook if we go in that direction. 34.80. $334.80, $334.90, $335. Sell a little more at 90 Facebook. And 335.10 to get out of Facebook. 335.10. Even stop. Come on, you could bounce a little more than that. NASDAQ is crashing early. All right. I don't think anything's crashing, but. All right, cancel this other stuff for now, guys. Again, break even stop in Facebook now, guys. That's it. If that's all it's going to give us and the market's going lower, get out, break even. You got 70 cents in Facebook. Good. Excellent. Let me look at Roblex. Roblex. Yeah, we can still try Roblex. I kind of like it. 79.50 if it doesn't on this pop up. You got 50 cents out of Facebook. Okay, good. What's 50 cents? Oh, like 335. Yeah, okay. Market's hurting us here. A little bit. 334.43 to 334.90. All right. AMD is a sleeping giant. Roblex is kind of slow now, guys. So, and I think we're going to get a bounce here. Flat Facebook, guys. We'll look for another level. All right, a bunch of you guys got 50 cents out of Facebook. That's good. It's good. All right, what else is going on, guys? AMC. Bouncy bounce. I don't like anything right here. GM pullback. All right. GM 61.90. Yeah, that'll be down $1. I like that in GM. 61.90 early trend trade in GM. Nice if it doesn't on this pop down. 61.90. Good. APRE, Decker, Ford dip, ORPH. ORPH could be up to its old tricks. I'd rather be long than short. Oracle bounced. Oracle bounced and then pulled back. I don't see a trade. Ford. I don't know. I don't trade Ford. This thing has like a 20-cent range all day. APRE, dead in the water. Deckers, no volume in Deckers. Stay away from Deckers. Yeah, I mean, you can grab the little GM at 62.17 and add at 61.90, 61.90, 61.80. I kind of like both of those. So I'm going to do that. 61.90 and 61.80. 100 each in Ford, in GM. This pop down would be nice, though. ZM, DoorDash, Doku. All right, ZM's a better buy. Do not short ZM. I don't see it. It's a much better buy up to 369. guys and gals. DoorDash, same thing. Much better buy, guys. I wouldn't run in and short DoorDash. No. Roblox. Now we got the bounce in Facebook. Yeah, all right. What are you going to do? We still got a decent trade out of it. If you're still in Facebook, take your profits up here. Gave you an 80 center. AMD. Oh, I got to stand up straight. Yeah, AMD could be setting up for a trender. Trying Roblox, sell short for a trend. All right, that would be 81.30, and then we got 82.30. All right, you can try it small. Yep, 81.30. I don't know. Things are a little choppy for me, but you can certainly try it. Rocket Man, all over the place. I don't see it. JMIA. JMIA's, again, better buy than sell. This whole move is only 30 cents, so I'm not crazy about it. There's nothing right there. Out ARVL. Where'd we get in ARVL? ARVL. What'd you get in ARVL? 21? Yeah, we had that out earlier. That's nice. I like 21 and 2050. Boom. Nice. Nice trade in ARVL for 80 cents. Beautiful. Nice job, guys. I don't think we're getting GM, and it's slowing down, so I don't even know if I like it. Dairy Queen, DQ. Yeah, DQ is a better buy than sell also. 66.50 is a short in DQ, guys, if we go in that direction. 66 cents. You got 87 cents out of Arvil. Nice. GM, let's just have one order out at 61.80 now. Okay. First real trade, and you got 80 cents. Very nice, guys. PayPal. 277 is a short in PayPal. And you can look for off a moving average. AMC, somebody mentioned, is coming in. All right, let's get our bid out in AMC, guys. 53.60 with a stop. AMC, 53.60. I like it. I like it. I like it. Not going to happen because we like it. Josie's on a vacation far away. All right. I like the GM here, guys. 61.80. See if it holds a trend. IQ, if we get there. IQ is a better buy than sell. I don't see a trade. Yeah, General Mills came close. All right. GM, guys, 61.30. And we could be a little aggressive there. I'll buy a couple hundred shares if we get there. 61.30. I will put out 300 shares there with like a 30-cent stop. Like it, like it, like it. Yeah, it's kind of hanging on a 9 here. Come on, AMC. You had to have a bounty bounce, you piece of dog poo-poo. Give AMC another couple of minutes. Someone keep your eyes on it. Good morning, Gustavo. CLF. Do not like CLF. Looks like a better downtrend, guys and gals, over at Benzinga. SE, I don't know. It's a high-priced stock. I'd stay away for now. PayPal having a little trouble at the pivot point. ORPH. I don't know. If you trust ORPH, you can buy a little at the 10 range. That would be down $1.50, right? Donkey Kong running. SoFi. SoFi got upgraded today. You guys know I love SoFi long-term. I am in the pre-IPO. I like it long-term. Ooh, Donkey Kong getting a little juice. Donkey Kong, 51.25 short. Yes. DKNG. And it's setting up for a better buy, guys. So, but 51.25 I like. On the short ski, Wartski. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. GM bounced. All right, can't. Yeah, so GM kind of held the 9, right? Didn't get to the 15 at 61.80. So we wouldn't have got it. I don't think there's much meat on the bone in GM anymore, guys. I think it had a little trade, and that's it. Yeah, but I don't think we're getting to 53.50 in AMC. You know what? I don't even like it anymore. I really don't. I think AMC's setting up for a better short, guys. Zena, did you get my email? Tell me you feel better about that. CCIV, I think, is a better buy than sell. It gets going above here. I would not short CCIV. Man, Roblex almost gave us the double bottom, right? Look at this thing. Jeez Louise. Almost gave us the double. This is a wackadoodle stock, Roblex. I'm staying away from that. I don't like it either way. It's all over the place. We are trading stocks, Eli. Wow, Snap, nice. I don't know if I like Snap short. 63.40 is a little spot, but it's not even $1 away. And I think it's a better buy. Snapper. BB pivot point. Not enough meat on the bone for me in BB. You can try 13.10 in BB. You got to size up, though, if you're going to do it. No, some we're buying, some we're shorting, Mark. Depends on what stock we're looking at. We had a couple of shorts. We had a couple of buys. So it depends on what we're looking at. AMC. All right. I still think we try this AMC at 53.60 small. I'm going to do like 50 shares. And if it holds, we can add to it. 53.60. I'm not really crazy about it, but let's see. If it spikes down there right now, we're $2 away from the moving average. So we give it a shot. But I want it fast. You know, if we're going to bounce from here, I don't like it. GM. I'm in GM 61.96. Wow, you just got 50 cents out of it, Damon. All right, we got to make sales. Okay, if you're in GM at 61.96, you got to sell some at 62.30, 62.40. Right? Take profits. They just gave you a 50-cent profit on half. Bring your stop up to break even now. But you got to take profits, even in a trend trade. Yeah, sell half at 40, 50 cents and bring your stop up to break even and see what the next move is. Always put money in the bank, guys. Always. Always, always, always. Perfect. Great trade. And that is our trend trade in General Motors. Boom. All right, I'm canceling AMC, guys. I think AMC is going lower. Putting up the options in AMC. Wow, those 65 calls were nice. I almost want to buy 40 puts in AMC for 60 cents. This thing looks ugly, 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 but let's not mess with it for now. Clove. Diamond hands, guys. Diamond hands. Clove is dead. I don't see anything to do there. Yes, we always put money in the bank, guys. Always, always, always. And you can't lose once you put money in a bank. Can't lose. AMC daily is 50.80. Ooh. You know we're going to get like $1 bounce off this, right? It still didn't even get there. I mean, I think I might short a little AMC, guys. If AMC gets up to the trend, I say we short a little bit. This thing acts like crap today. Let's keep our eyes on it. GameStop. GameStop, I see 188, guys. I see 188 in GameStop. Maybe not today. I'm going 55.50 in AMC small on the 9. Yeah, no buy right now, guys. No buy right now. 55.50 short. That's the 9 EMA. Palantir, Alt, PLTR. No, I would not short Palantir. If we don't get to 200 likes, he is going to end the stream early. I'm down with that. I have 141 people in my room that I could deal with, guys and gals. I'm here to help you. PayPal's a better buy, yes. AMC never got to a far from moving average trade because it wasn't even $1.50 away from the closest moving average, guys. But it would have been a great trade if we just nailed that 53.60, like I said. for a trade anyway. Snap short. Nope, Snap is a better buy, guys. Why would we want a short Snap? 544 watching. We got to have at least 300 likes or we're ending this. At least. I mean, at least half the people have to like what's going on here, right? I think we had 2 trades this morning. We made money on both. Some people had 3 trades. Donkey Kong could be a better trend. But again, it's kind of a mess right now. CCIV. Yeah, CCIV still looks like a better guy. Bye, ladies and gents. Wish, there's no game in Wish. Again, for everybody who's just tuning in, especially my Benzinga peeps, I need a stock to really move far from where it is before we want to get involved. When I put up a chart and I don't see a lot of movement in it, I don't see anything to do. There's nothing to do. So we need movement. Wolf is a better sell than buy. Someone give me some. You made $70 in AMC, KK. Good. Wolf, we got 23.80. I'm going all the way down to the daily in Wolf. Let's see what we got. Nope. Look, Wolf was one of these meme stocks. I would rather be short Wolf than long. I think this thing can go back to $20. Yeah, I'm not buying it here, Solomon. I think you're in it already. You want to add here, that's fine, but I don't like it at all. Cancel Donkey Kong, ain't happening for now. All right, good. UPST is a stock that we don't mention in my room. I'll look at it for you, but I hate it with a passion. Wasn't this $190? Wow. It certainly was. Well, I mean, 120 could be a short in UPST. Definitely. Up $6. But it's a stock I don't trade. I can't do it. I can't do it, but I think 120 is a good short. I just can't do it. I can't bring myself to do it. Why'd you give any back? What's his name? It was one good trading setup. Ooh, go Apple. We need Apple to go up $4 the rest of this week. It's not how much money you make, guys. It's how much money you keep. All right? That's what this game is all about. Take profits. Take profits. Take profits. There's always going to be another trade to do. How often do I do this? Every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with Benzinga. And I do it every single day live in my live trading room with all my traders. All day. Every day. Right now we have 144 people in my trading room. So right now I'm keeping track of this, about 800 people. Nancy, I mean, when we're in a winning trade, always take some profits out of it. That's what I mean. Again, I don't like GameStop. At GameStop, we have a daily at 189. I think we're going there. That's where I think we're going. Maybe not. I mean, if we get to 189 today, I'm all over GameStop. AMC's not really reversing. It's kind of just sitting here now. It's dead. They don't know. I'm a newbie. We specialize in newbies. That's my specialty. People who have never traded before or people who are struggling. All right, Roblex, guys. What do you guys think? I think we got to try to short at 84.50, no? I mean, we can be a little conservative, go up to 85.15. I don't like 85.15 Roblex short. I like that. I told you, Roblex is a wackadoodle stock. It just has a mind of its own. We couldn't get the double bottom, so no help there. And if AMC breaks these levels, guys, where are we going? 49? Let's see what we got. 15-minute, 30-minute. 30-minute, we got 52.70. That might be a far from moving average trade. That's interesting. I don't think we have anything else. Nope. So this thing breaks 52.70. We're going to see $50 again. Yep. I mean, we're still not even $2 away from the moving average in AMC. Still not even $2 away. So, not stretched yet, guys. UPST. Oh my God. Guys, you see the UPST? Look, it exactly hit our level, went straight down to $1.50. Anybody got that trade short? Look at that. Again, technical analysis, everybody. Boom, chaka-laka laka. I mean, it exactly hit the level. Is that sick? Crazy. It's insane how well our technical analysis works. It's crazy. Roblex short 84.50, Sebastian. I was waiting for a little higher, but if you got it, that's good. Oh, nice. All right, that was the 200 EMA. Good. Excellent. Take some profits here in Roblex, guys. Take some profits here in Roblex. You just got 50 cents out of it. Gorgeous. I'm going to cancel the 85.15 for a moment. Good eyes doing the Roblex on the 200 short. DKNG, let's look. Yeah, cancel that. Not happening. Donkey Kong could be a better buy, guys. 49.20. That's the early trend. 49.20. Great trade in the Roblex, guys, for 50 cents. Nice job. So Roblex hit our 200 EMA and gave a nice 50-cent pullback. Moving averages we are using 9, 15, 65, and 200. Exponential moving average. Yeah, Apple would have been a good short. Silver's dead. 9, 15, 65, and 200. Exponential moving average. Throwing in our pivot points. AMC, beautiful trade off 53.60. Look at that. Gave you $1, guys. Who talked me out of that one? Come on, man. Look at that. 53.60 gave you $1. You got in it? Good, good, good. I know I talked myself out of it. Good trade in Roblex, in and out. I'm my own worst enemy. I guess so. I've been doing that a lot lately. I can tell you that. All right. Short in AMC, we're going to go to, what is that? $56. I am only doing what is in your box. I lost a lot this month. Oh, you lose a lot this month, Nancy, doing what wasn't in my box? What happened? I know. Sorry, Kent. I'm with you. I need some ALF. I got to have some ALF. No, thank you. Facebook? Could be a short right here. Kind of taking its sweet-ass time getting up there, though. Guys, I've been a little off the game. What can I tell you? Sometimes I cancel stuff. It gets hit. First time here. Love it. We'll come back daily. Maybe next time can activate subtitles on your feed. Okay. Well, guys, I'm going to offer everybody who's watching today a couple of things. And this is maybe the last time I'm going to be able to do it because my room is full. So we'll talk about buying our course, which gets you continued mentorship on every Thursday night. And then I'm going to invite everybody to come into my room live for a 5-day free trial. Okay? So anyone who's watching here can come in for a 5-day free trial after we finish up today, starting today. Nice job, Zach. Nice job. TSP. In 51.80, out 52.50. Nice trade, TSP. Yes, 2 o'clock. Fed meeting. I made on all Dave box entries. Good. AMC 52.12 is daily. Oh, I love it, Ken. Yeah, if that's what it is. Where are you getting that at daily, though? 52.12, maybe next spot. Pivot point. I see it. Okay. And then we got 50.70. So let's just be aware 52.10 and 50.70 is the actual daily. So I kind of like that. Kenav, I'll tell everybody how to get in. All right, Kanath, before we get out of here, I will tell everybody how to get your free trial for the next 5 days. Father's Day discount for the trading room. I got to tell you, guys and gals, as far as the trading room is concerned, all right, so I have my course. You can buy the course for $400. You'll have it forever, and you get my mentorship every Thursday night. That's the course. $400. I get together with you every Thursday night, and you have that course forever. My trading room is completely different, guys, and it ain't cheap. But I don't want a lot of people in it, and we keep people out. My trading room is $500 a month to be in my trading room trading live with me every single day. But with that, you get a boot camp every month, where I teach you the entire course live. So live. So $500 a month, and you get a boot camp. Again, let's try to find more trades. We'll talk about it later. AUV, I have nothing. I know, Shublub, a lot of people can't. It's cool. Dave, I never received the email for the monthly subscription. Jim, you bought the course? NOVN. It is, Emily, but people in my room make that in one trade or a half a trade. Yeah, you can try a little snapper here if it goes fast, right? Okay, Jim. All you got to do is PayPal me what we talked about. But you're in the room, so we'll come in the room and I'll let you know. By the way, Jim, I'm not doing that anymore, so keep it to ourselves. Just so you guys know, I have people in my room, Emily, that make over $1 million a year trading, and some of them more than that. Then I have people who are just starting out, trading 10, 20 shares at a time and slowly building it up. Our boot camp is the 28th of this month, so it's a good time to take advantage if you want, because you'll get an entire month in a room and the boot camp. No, Sam, it's two completely separate things. So you can buy the course. You get me every Thursday night for mentorship, or you can sign up to be in the room, but completely different things. I think I only have like 4 spots left for the boot camp this month anyway. I keep it very, very, I don't have a lot of people in the boot camp because I want it to be up close and personal. AMC's dead. Guys, we're going to start slowing down in everything. I can tell you that right now. And then we're not going to do anything till 2 o'clock. Oh, nice job in Alf. Excellent. Look at that breakout of the base. Nice job, Mike. Beautiful. Excellente. Futu double bottom. Alf halted. Yep, up 10%. Alpha's halted. SOFI. Man, I can't even push buttons this morning. What the hell's wrong with me? Again, you know, I like SoFi. Yeah, cancel AMC for now. SoFi's not a day trade to me. Long-term trade. Oh, wow. I mean, look at Roblex. Just F you. We're going higher. I don't care what anybody else says. Nice job in Alf. What's 86.40, Natasha? We have a level there? Let's look. I got 87.70. There you go. 86.40 is the 30-minute. All right. We got 86.40 and 87.70 and then 88. Yeah. I mean, let's keep an eye on it. The thing got very strong all of a sudden. AMC just got very strong. Everybody halted our family, not just Robinhood. When a stock goes up more than 10% during the day, they usually halt trading. Yeah, everybody halted it. We like 86.04 short. I don't know. This thing is very strong now. I got 87.70 to 15-minute. That I really like. And 88, right? Roblex. What do you guys think, Ken? You want to try 86.04 real quick? You posted PayPal. Trend trade. Oh, nice. PayPal. In clove 2,000 shares at 1302. Let's take a look. All right. Again, I wouldn't expect to make a lot out of that and keep a tight stop. Let me look at Roblex. I mean, it is getting stretched up here. We have 7 red bars in a row. I don't want to lose your love. We just missed it, I think, guys. Yeah, I know. 86.02 was a great spot. It just gave a quick 50 cents out of it. All right. Well, let's put in 87.70. I definitely like that. That we're doing. The 86.02, it didn't give me really a chance to get out there. Yes, RSI needs to be above 80. Look, we would have got a little trade out of 86.02. ARVL. Yeah, trying to bounce a little. Look, ARVL went up $1 off of the pivot point down there, right? 2060 to 2160, basically. Very nice. Clove, if you get 20, 30 cents, I'd be very happy. And Roblex does look more like a trend trade. And Plantier is trying to break out here a little bit. Looks like a better buy. Yes. Yes. Yeah, we want to buy some Roblex now on a pullback, guys. This thing is very strong. So, 83.50, we buy Roblex. But I like the 87.70 to 88 for a short. We got to get a pullback from there. Well, we don't got to do anything, but I think we will. XPEV. Better buy than sell. XPEV. I would not short XPEV. Buy it on a pullback. We'll talk about it afterward. Spade Life. We're still trying to find some trades. We got plenty of time. It's only 10:12. At 10 to 11, I'll start talking about that stuff. We're still looking for trades to set up now. FUV, sell short at 14. No. No. GM, leave alone, guys. GM is dead for the day, Lee. There's nothing to do in GM. Leave it alone. AMC, I mean, we could try a little at 55.60 on the trend, right? It just hit the 9 at 55 and couldn't get above it, right? So, and now it's going down. So if it went right up to 55.60, I would have liked it. Not so sure now. What a great short in Roblex, guys. Gosh darn it. Actually, no, it hasn't pulled back. I don't even think we would have made any money at 86, maybe 30 cents, right? That's it. Remind me, guys, I want to look at some VXX options before we leave. Yes, look at GameStop, guys, off the pivot point. We weren't even looking at that. Born to be free. When we short stocks, it's not like we ever get put the stock. We're day trading. So we wanted to short it at 86 and buy it back at 85.50. Boom. And we just would have done that and made 50 cents on the trade. So if you did 1,000 shares, you would have just made $500 in about a minute and a half. That's why when people say my room is expensive, a lot of my experienced traders are trading 1,000 shares every time they do a trade. They make $500 on one trade. Snap holding the 65, Donkey Kong. Look at GameStop off the pivot point, guys. 209. It's up $6. Donkey Kong 48.80. I like it. Let's do it. Regular moving average trade. 200 EMA. 48.80. That'll be down from 50. Let's give it a pop. 48.80. This pop down is good. Roblex is such a one-way stock, boy. It's either going all the way up or it's going all the way down. Let's leave our short at 88 in Roblex now. RBLX. 88. And we want to buy Roblex at 84 now, guys, if it pulls back. 88. Alf just hit 830 on the reopening. Boom, shakalaka. Nice. Halted again now, right, Alf, right? Yep. I bet you it's halted again. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice job. Facility sells short. 56.91. Yeah, I would have liked that if we got right there, Ken. Yes, yes, yes. CNC, ZS, ripping. Oh, ZS is a better buy on a pullback, guys. Guys, I know I'm talking fast and talking about a whole bunch of different stuff, but every time I put up a chart, I'm telling you where the good trades are. All right. CNC is a better buy at 73.60 on a pullback on a trend. Moving averages are 9, 15, 65, and 200. Exponential, Blaze. 9, 15, 65, and 200. Exponential moving averages. Yeah, I mean, again, run looks like a better buy. I don't see anything to do right here. You got to go fast. All we have is an hour. All right. Well, AMC was a little short ski there at 55.60. But I would have a real tight stop. A couple of people just got in at 55.60. Take 30, 40 cents on some. You can almost have a break-even stop now because if AMC gets above that, it's probably going higher. But just gave you 40 cents off that level. That's a nice story. All right, I'm watching Donkey Kong. So this is a trend trade, okay? It just got to 55.60. So you take 40 cents out of some right here, and now see if we can break back down. So 40-cent profit, boom. Break-even stop now. And I think you can get, maybe $1 out of more now. So there you go. If it gets to like 54.70, cover some more. Keep lowering your stop order. Don't like Donkey Kong taking too long, guys. CONE. So that's a perfect example of a trend trade. Klein is a 30-cent move. Don't like it. Yes, AMC was a beautiful short at 55.60. Boom, chakalaka laka. And you almost got $1 now in AMC. Boom. ALF, do I have the reopening in ALF? It's indicated 850. So right about where it is right now. Right about where it is. Roblex is a better buy. You made 20 cents on the Klein. That's good. Just had to do a lot of it. Maxar. Yes, Maxar looks good. That's a nice trend trade. Looks like it's going higher. Nice job, David. 20 cents out of 1,000 shares is good. DKNG is not even a trade now. Double bottom at 48 is where we'll do a little DKNA. You got the GameStop trend. Same trade, right? Look at that. 217.30. Nice job in GameStop, Connie. So GameStop did the exact thing as AMC did. So again, think about this, guys and gals. It went to 217.50 was the spot. And you just got $2 out of it. Even if you did 50 shares, you made $100 in what, a minute? Perfect. In run short at 47.10. In run short. Who's in run short? Danny? Why? I mean, it's a tiny bit stretched, but it has the RSI, but we're not even $1 away from the moving average. So cancel Donkey Kong, guys. I do not have Donkey Kong anymore. If you're going to stay in this run, you got to add, small to it and wait for a reversal. But it's not really a trade. Donkey Kong bounce, not happening. Roblex, not happening. Cancel that. Well, listen, it's been a pretty slow morning. We had 2 or 3 trades. Think or Swim? Yeah, the charts are the best, Allie. Everybody in my room uses Think or Swim for charting. Everybody. So we're all looking at the same thing, and we know that are all moving averages line up. Yes. Again, Geo's just a buy, right? I'm not saying run in and buy it here, but it looks great. Run, I don't think run is a short. I mean, you could get a little pullback here to get 30, 40 cents out of it, but why do I want to short stocks that are going up? I want to buy strong stocks and short weak stocks. Do not short CRSR. That stock is wackadoodle. Just stay away. We know that one could be crazy. AMC's dead now. Alt very stretched. Not really. It's 50 cents above the moving average. Again, Bri, don't we want to be long stocks that are in uptrends? Right? Why are you going to fight something that looks really good? I want to be long, not short. Again, SoFi is one of our loves long term. 2350 could be a short in SoFi, by the way. GameStop off the 200 again? No, not the second time. We do not make trades the second time, Connie. It could work, but we just don't do it. No. Them's the rules. SQ. SQ is a good trend trade, Jeremy. Yes. CNC up 7%. Yeah, CNC looks great. Day one of a big bounce up. It's got to be some kind of news in that, right? It's a drug stock. Yeah. Definitely looks like a better buy than sell. Oh. OCGN. Nope. Nothing in OCGN. Don't see it. FUV, sell short at 15. Maybe. That would be stretched out up there, FUV. But again, Joe, if you get 20, 30, 40 cents, that's all you're getting out of that. It's a $14 stock. So ask yourself if it's worth it or not. Right? ALF. It might have halted again on the downside now, ALF. I don't know. Let's see. It's still trading. Yeah, I mean, you could try a little alpha at 720. It might halt by the time it gets down there, right? It actually wouldn't. Look, you get a green bar from here. You can buy a little alpha with a tight stop. Otherwise, you got 740 and 710 in alpha. See if it goes sideways here. No, I am not looking to short GameStop. No. Like I said, the first time it went up there, it worked for a $2 trade. Second time, negative. Now it's ripping right through everything. Correct. So listen to me, guys. It's a better buy on dips. And AMC is not a short again. What we'd like to see is this thing go sideways for a bit and show some strength, and then we can buy it. We got a gapper up to 57.20 now. So this is a better buy if it gets above, like, I don't know, 55.50. Because GameStop's going, why won't AMC go? Right? That's what you have to look at. So better buy now. So the bloom is off the rose in ALF. Maybe 732, but if you like ALF, you got to do it, 500 shares at 730, add 1,000 shares at 7, and then hope it's not over and you get a bounce. Again, those kind of things are not for me. Again, I don't like the day trades SoFi. I have it long term at much cheaper prices, but I'm saying AMC could be a better buy above 55.50. That's what I'm saying. We need some volume. I'd like to see it go sideways for a little bit more, Damon. I wouldn't do anything yet. Let's see if it can do a little base here, sideways for 30 minutes, right? I'm not committing because it could just as easily go down from here. Let's see it go sideways for a little. Roblex. I don't know. Do we trust Roblex on a trend after it was $7 lower than this? It's a tough one. Facebook could be setting up for a trend, but it's just a little stretched up here now. I don't see it. JMIA, which are making me crazy. So again, when we put up a chart like this, STBC, I just want to explain what I'm looking at. So when I put up a stock like this and I see it trading in this range all day, I'm just going to say, nope, there's no trade to be done there. No. Got to move to get to one of our levels. See, that's why I didn't commit to AMC. Let it go sideways for a little bit. Let it go sideways a little bit. I'm not sure about Roblex, Tim. I don't know if I like this trend now because it was $6 lower. Look, 82.80, we buy Roblex. All right, that'll be down $4. Let's do that. 82, let's just call it 82.90. Gustavo's taking a little nap. Good. Made a couple of bucks this morning. Get out of here. ORPH. Yeah, we mentioned that one this morning. The crazy wackadoodleness. Yeah, it's slow but steady. ORPH isn't bad to be long. I don't trust Roblex either. That's why I'm down to 82.90. We'll see what happens. I don't trust AMC. I don't trust GameStop. Took 20 cents out of run on the short ski or the long ski. What'd you do, Kent? Yeah, again, this just looks like a much better buy. I mean, if we get to 49, we can start being a little aggressive. Zena, that's good. Buy 50 shares if we get to 82.90 and risk $50 on it. Dan, your average is 48.10. All right, start taking a little profits off. Why not? You got 30 cents. It's good. No, it was with a 90 RSI. It's fine, guys. You did the right thing. It's fine. It was a little stretchy. CHPT, again, better buy than sell. I don't see much going on there. BB holder here. All right. Not for me. I got to tell you, is anybody in, if BB breaks these levels right here at 13, and again, I'm not telling anybody what to do. If BB breaks these levels here at 13, it's going to see 11. That's just technical analysis based on my charts. That's all. Anybody in this room in the bag in some of these stocks that they bought much, much higher? Some of these meme stocks? I've had a lot of people come to me and join my room that along these stocks like 10, 20 points higher that are stuck in all this crap. UPST is not a trade, maybe a double bottom, UPST. I am in Wish stuck at 11. No, that's not bad. You're right here. Natasha, where are you long AMC? Yeah, we loved it down at $40. I liked it yesterday at $49. But I saw a lot of people that came to me in my room that are down 10, 20, 30 points on some of these things that they jumped into at just insane prices because they didn't know any better. And they just have some giant losses. You don't if you have a stop order. You don't. But, you know, if we go look at some of these stocks, guys, okay, you know, let's go to the daily tape in AMC. You know, so people got long at $70. Let's go to BB. People are stuck in this one at $17, $18. Right? All these things that had these stupid moves up, people are stuck. And one thing we're going to prevent from happening is that'll never happen to you again when you're with us. Clove, you're stuck at 1465. That's not horrible, Mike. I'm talking about people that are stuck 20 points, 30 points in some of this stuff. Just crazy. I was in Clove. Yeah, you know, I got to just tell you guys, you got to stay away from these meme stocks unless you really know what you're doing and you trade them. We trade them every day, right? I trade AMC every day. I trade GameStop when it sets up every day. But no one is getting caught in any of these things who's in my room and having major, major losses. Nobody. Yeah, so AMC, if you grab 55.50, there's no volume right now, but maybe it could be a better buy up to that 57 level. I haven't let myself take a big hit since I've been back. Good. That's what this is all about. I am doomed at 59. In AMC, it was over that yesterday, Kev. AMC went to 62 and change yesterday, right? So here's what I'm trying to tell everybody. Take some profits. The stock went to 62, 63 yesterday, didn't it? Yeah, 63.50 it went to yesterday. So would you feel better if you sold, all of it at 63, and then if you like it again, you buy it back at 54? I'm just saying, these things aren't. Look, I don't know. We just don't play the diamond hands game here. That's all. Could this go to 120? Yep, absolutely. Good. Is it going to? Is it likely? Probably not. And we'll make a lot more money trading it than sitting in it. And God forbid it goes down, you're stuck and you're dead. So that's just the way we'd rather do things here. Cancel Roblex. All right, that's fine. Yeah, stocks don't care what you're doing. That's for sure. In dash, adding on the 15. In dash at 162.60, adding at 161.80. Okay, I like it, Jeremy. Keep it small. Market's going to be dead flat where we are until 2 o'clock, until we get that Fed meeting. So anyone who wants to visit the room, after we're done here, you'll watch us trade the Fed meeting at 2 o'clock. If anything happens, who the hell knows? We'll see. It could be a big non-event too. CRSR is dead, sitting in the middle of everything. I don't see up. I don't see down. I don't see sideways. FUV. Well, I'll just tell everybody this, okay? G-Man and everybody else. There are more people losing money in these meme stops than making. That is a fact. Guaranteed fact. Because they're stuck in some of these things for a crap load of money. Or they're chasing them at the highs. Yada, yada, yada. I gave my blessing to AMC this Monday when we walked in and it held like the $49, got back above the $45 level right here. That was Monday. And it was a nice trade. That was it. I have no idea what it's going to do now long term, and I don't care. Yeah, so Donnie, like I said, if again, there's no volume, but 55.50 could have been a nice spot to buy a little, but it's dead. Guys and gals, everything we are looking at is dead right now. If you got a little AMC at 55.50, now that's your stop order. Right? You can't lose money. Sell a little at 56. Take 50 cents out of the trade. We said if it gets above that, it's a better buy. So now you have a break-even stop. You can't lose money. Start selling some at 56. If it gets to 57.90, that's where you added a whole trade, and we will short it. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Dash. Yeah, Jeremy's in a full trend trade now in Dash. So he got 162.40, 161.90. He's got about a 162.10 average. Boom. Start selling some. 162.50 and higher. There you go. So there you go. That's a perfect example. Jeremy just got into a full trend trade. His average is about 162.20. He's up 50 cents on the trade now. So Jeremy will sell half right now and then see if he can get back into the uptrend and really start going. Okay? So this is one of the trades that we teach everybody. Buy small on the 9, add on the 15. Average is about 162.20 in this. You just made $1 on half of it. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. That is the trend trade that we teach you how to do. Perfect. Where would I cover Donkey Kong if I'm short? 48.80 for at least half, right? Because that's the little support level. 48.80. That's it. That's what I'm saying, G-Man. Right? and you get stuck in one of them, it wipes out all your profits that you make. Look, and I'm not saying day trading is for everybody. It's not. It's completely separate than swing trading and all the other stuff. We do swing trading. We do options trading. We teach you how to do all that. But, we're day traders. We try to make a couple of bucks every day. It adds up to bigger amounts at the end of the day, the week, the month, and the year. I would say at least 50% of the people in my room are making a living trading. I would say about 25 to 30% are brand new traders who are trying to learn how to do it and have never done it before. And then the other, 10, 20% are people who are happy making $100 a day, $50 a day, $200 a day, whatever, and all in between. That's it. Yeah, and that's fine. What's his name? That's fine. It's a different ball game. That's all. That's all. I love Momo trading. Absolutely. Nothing wrong with Momo trading. That's what this buy in AMC really was. Broke out a little bit, gave you a 50-cent trade. That was it right now because there's no volume in anything. It's just different. Everybody in my room, how is everybody doing today? Everybody who traded at all should be green today. Is that correct? Give me some ones. If you did any of our trades, everybody should be green. How about over in Benzinga? Guys following our trades, you should have made a couple of shenanigans today. A couple of banana skins. Yeah, a little bit. There you go, Zena. Boom, chaka-laka laka. You guys are getting a couple of our trades too. Good. Excellent. GameStop coming down. Everything we do is calculated, guys. We don't make a trade until our technical analysis tells us to make a trade. 1 for 1 on my own trades. Excellent, OP. Did my own trades and lost. See, that's what we can't have happen, guys. Damien. Well, okay. Listen, I can't tell anybody what to do. I'm not following the trades, but your shout-outs are keeping me solid on my game. Perfect. Perfect. I don't tell anybody what to do. But I'm just telling you, if you learn everything that we're doing here, we make on a lot more trades than we lose. And that's all you want to do is put the odds in your favor. I am not buying GameStop trend, guys. I don't trust this thing. I mean, it was $10 lower. If you post your trades and Dave approves them, you'll learn why the ones you're calling are not the right setup. That is correct. That's what I tell everybody. When you're in my room, or even when you guys are visiting in Benzinga, I'm telling you which trades I like and which trades I don't. When you're in the private trading room, you post whatever you think is right. Oh, I'll tell you if it's right or not. Do not like that. You bought a little Netflix here, Damon, under the 200 EMA at $4.94. Okay. All right. Keep in mind with a stock like Netflix. Yeah, I was going to say keep it very small. A $2 move to hit a moving average isn't like a $2 move to hit a moving average in any other stock. But that's fine. See if it holds this level. It sets up. Period. Dash, did we do short or long? Dash, we did long. Trend trade. Bought the 9, bought the 15, start selling some for a nice profit. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Oh, that was a level on our charts. That was sick, trade money. I want to show you. Look at Roblex. I'm going to show you our daily chart in Roblex. Look at this. Is that sick? Down 300 on AMC and trying to get it back holding 200. That's another thing we don't do, Bill. Is try to get money back that we lost unless it sets up for a trade. But money, look at this. This was our daily chart in Roblex. It was $80. Look at the daily chart. It exactly hit our technical analysis at 80. That was it. And if you look at the 5-minute chart from this morning, it hit our pivot point at 79.50. Crazy. That was the technical analysis. Down $11, and we found the spot to buy the stock. Geo, to me, is not even a day trade. If you like Geo, you buy it, you put it away. Yes, let's walk through Dash one more time. All right, trend trade. So when the stock is in an uptrend, Chris, as DoorDash is, We look to get in a trend when it pulls back to our 9 EMA and our 15 EMA. So the 9 EMA was 162.60. The 15 EMA, let's call it 162. We buy a very small 1/3 of our position at 162.60. We buy 2/3 of our position at 162. That gives us an average of about 162.25. It gave us $1 profit. We sell 1/3 of our trade. If it goes up another $1, we sell another 1/3 of our trade, and we hold on to the last third for the rest of the day and let it keep going up. That is a trend trade. And again, it's in the course. It's going to be in the boot camp when we do it. Get down with OPT. Yeah, you know me. Yeah, that looks good, OPT. Little thin though, right? How small a profit should I take on scalping? Is less than $50 profit? Yeah, it's fine. Depends on the price of the stock that we're in, that guy. And think about it. Once you get to a place where you're sizing up a little bit, all right? Let's say you have 1,000 shares. You make 30 cents, you make $300. You do that twice a day, you're making $175,000 a year on average. So you got to get to the spot where you can do a little more share size, which takes time. Look, least anyone think, guys, that this is an easy thing to do. Okay. I tell my beginning traders or people that were trading for a while and struggling, 3 to 6 months without bullshitting anybody. That's how long it takes to become comfortable and proficient with day trading. Doesn't mean you won't make money before that. If you just follow everything that we do and do every single trade that lines up, you're going to make money, period. Well, a 10K cash account is probably enough to start with, you know, trading 10, 20, 30 shares. You can do it almost any stock that we do. 10, 20, 30 shares. And that's how you start. And then you build it up from there. That's it. I'm not buying Roblex on the trend, Ken. I don't know. I just can't trust it. I'd like to see it pull back at least to the 984.30, and I like the 83.10. Yeah, no, I hear you. Look, if it holds here, it's fine, right? But do we trust it after this gigantic move up and down? I like the 83.10, though. You know, let's put that out. I mean, this could get to 83.10, right? Why not? Let's put it out. You got 82.40. All right. I would move that up to 83.10, Sanji. That's good. 83.10 is good for everybody with a stop. Palantir. Yeah, Palantir looks great, guys. It is not a short. That's for shizzle. Palantir looks great. AMC, again, not breaking out. You broke even on that trade. I pulled 60 grand from my and learning from rather burn my money myself and learn than let. I hear you. Okay, Fire Stick. And I'll talk more about this in my room, but let me go over it very quickly for everybody because a lot of people can and can't trade, right? Let me talk about it for a minute. There's 3 ways you can trade, actively day trade. 1, Robinhood, Wellbull, cash account. You can only trade up to the amount of cash that you have. That's it. You put $1,000 in a Robinhood account, you can trade $1,000 worth of stocks. You're going to be limited to doing options or something else. You can't really day trade that way. Second thing, $5 grand. $5 grand, you can open up what we could call a proprietary trading account with a proprietary trading firm. You have to take 2 tests and pass them. There's a whole bunch of different rules involved for a prop firm, but the minimum for that is $5,000. With the $5,000, they give you $25,000, 20 times in buying power. You have 100 grand to trade with at any point during the day. Retail account, G-Man, which is what I'm talking about now. TD Ameritrade. Interactive Brokers, which is what I have. Chuck Schwab. You must have a minimum balance of $25K. That's a retail trading account. You have to maintain that balance. And they will give you 4 times in buying power. You'll have up to 100 grand to trade with at any point during the day. So I have $26,900 in my account. I have $110,000 worth of buying power that I can use at any point during the day to make my trades. I can use it all in one trade. It resets immediately after I get out of the trade. So let me be clear and realistic and honest with everybody. Okay? And honest with everybody. You cannot do what we do and actively day trade with $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000. You just can't. You know, you can trade 10 shares at a time, or 20 shares or even 30 shares. It's going to be almost impossible to build up your account that way. I'm just being honest, right? Prop firm with a cash account, when you buy a stock and sell it, it has to settle for 2 days, right? So you can't even do that. Crazy. With a cash account, you got to wait 2 days anyway. All right. Prop firm, I have information on a prop firm. If you come into my room later, Sasha, I can get you that information. Okay. Got to take 2 tests. It's a $5,000 and you're good to go. Boom. Or you have the 25K. On the lip side, for those of us with 300K in trading, not easy to trade all that. Yeah, you don't need 300 grand in an account. I can tell you that. Just say if you keep if you keep a minimum of 25 grand, guy, there's no tests, there's no nothing. They'll give you 4 times in buying power. You don't have to. Once you have 25 grand in an account, you just go. You're ready to go. And you have to have a little more because if you go below 25,000, you got to put it in. So you give yourself a little cushion. That's all. Yeah, I mean, if you have 300 grand in an account and you know what you're doing, you can trade 2,000-3,000 shares every time we make a trade, without a doubt. But you better know what you're doing. Well, just because you have 300 grand in an account doesn't mean you'd have to use all that buying power. Well, I'll tell you this, Steve. Okay? Nobody, let me say this again. Nobody who has ever traded with me that has learned what we do and follows our rules has blown up a trading account with me. Not one person, okay, has ever blown up a trading account with me if they do the right thing and follow the money management rules and learn how we trade. We just don't have enough losing trades for that ever to happen. That's it. It's impossible. It'll never happen. But you got to learn what you're doing. And anyone who has blown up a trading account with me, it's because they're not following the rules. That's it. Yes, and if you have to swing trade, that's fine. Yeah, but here's the thing with what's his name also. Learn how to do the swing trading correctly too, right? We do it. I swing trade quite often when things line up. But when we swing trade, it's because things have gotten really out of whack, not because I think something might go up because everybody else does. And I'm not saying that you do that. But I'm saying when I swing trade, here, let me show you some swing trades that we recently did, right? Not too long ago. I'll show you Labu on a weekly chart. Stock went from $185 to $71. This is where we bought it for a swing trade. That's where we bought it. People in my room took between 20 and 30 points out of it in the next week. Even GameStop, okay? GameStop, when it went from $483 down. First time we bought the stock was $60. And we swung trade, and I think we got, 10 points out of it. Next time I traded GameStop for a swing was when it went from 348 and hit our trend line at 118. I mean, it hit my trend line at 118. A week later, the stock was up $45. So I'm swing trading anything, but you got to learn how to do it at the right time, no matter what stock you're swing trading. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. I have 2 monitors, Nick. One that you guys all see. First of all, let me check this Roblex and see if we still like it. I still like Roblex, guys. Let's give it a couple minutes. So I have this monitor that has my cash account, my retail account, all the orders that you guys see anytime we're getting into a trade, and the charts. My other account right now has up the trading room, my order entries, which are right here. I keep them on the other screen, my watch list, and all of you guys in it. We're going long Microsoft at 259. Let's look. Oh, I like that. Yeah, you got 259 and 258.80, KK. Yeah, so you can buy small at both prices. That's a regular moving average trade. Perfect. All right, guys, I just want 3 minutes to show you guys what your choices are from here on out. Okay. This is the course that I was talking about for everybody. It's at WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. This is on sale for all Benzinga people for a limited time only. This course has every single thing you need to know if you're an absolute beginner or if you're looking to take it to the next level. Language of the stock market, money management, chart basics. We teach you everything. Whether you know the difference between a stock and a sock, you're going to learn how to do it. And I'm going to be with you every Thursday night. Once you sign up, and we've made it $3.99 instead of $4.99 because of our team effort with Benzinga. Once you sign up for this, I want to show you what it looks like. It's spectacular. This is the best thing I've ever done, by far. I did a course with Investopedia like 5 years ago that's done like $4 million in sales. This is 50 times better. Here is the course itself. Stock market basics, language of the stock market, trading accounts, market terms, boom, 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 boom. Money management, chart basics. We help you set up all your charts. 5 trading techniques, swing trading, options, Bitcoin. And here's the most important part. Anyone who purchases this course at the discounted rate, this is a link every Thursday night at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We get together and I go over the entire course with you. Every Thursday night. Boom. Buy the course at the very least. I've been trading for 10 years and it's helped me make money. Yeah, I mean, for $400, guys, you're getting my mentorship every Thursday night. That's it. Every Thursday night. And you have the course forever. And we explain this in such an easy to understand way. If you've never traded before, by the end of this, you'll be ready to start your journey with day trading. And I'm going to help you every Thursday night. That's the course. Okay? WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. No, the room is not $500 a day. Forget about the room for now. I don't even want to talk about that. I'm going to give you guys the link to get into the room. So you can all come hang out for 5 days from whenever you start. And then we can talk about going forward if you want to stay with me. But that's the course. It is spectacular. You buy it today, you're going to get me tomorrow night at 5 o'clock to start answering your questions. Now, for everybody else, write this down, okay? This is so you can come into my room. Yes, Sasha. Okay, this is so you can come into my room, guys. greenroom-live.com. Very simply, hit the Zoom button and you'll be in my room. That's it. Everybody here has 5 days to come hang out with us. greenroom-live.com and just hit the Zoom button and you're in my trading room. You can start coming in there now if you want. Okay? Because we're going to be done in about 7 minutes. greenroom-live.com. Just hit the Zoom and you're in our room. So you buy the course, I'll see you tomorrow night. Come into my room as soon as we're done here, and I'll see you for 5 days. I'm looking at Roblox right now. Yeah, I still like it. Let's give it a couple of minutes, Connie. Microsoft bounced. Yes, cancel that. Even non-traders can learn good info. Yeah, 100%, Bill. Yeah, I mean, look, you're going to have that. Yeah, cancel Roblox. You're going to have that course forever. It never runs out. You have it forever. It doesn't run out. And you got me every Thursday night. Boom, chaka-laka laka. My room is a completely separate animal, guys. Has nothing to do with the course. It's just more intense. It's for traders who are active. ATVI. Traders who are active that have, the ability to do what we do. And I teach the entire course once a month in my boot camp in my room. Yes, the trading room is tax deductible. Absolutely. And all your trading expenses are deductible. Yes. Sasha, you buy the course, it's for life. Correct. And again, my room's a different thing. My room is for people who have a little more experience or people who don't mind paying $500 a month to hang out in the room and get me for 140 hours a month. And I do the live boot camp in my room. We're doing it June 28th, a week from Monday. What I do is basically teach that entire course live for 35 hours. So if you have the course, that's great. And then I'm going to teach it to you live for 35 hours and you get a month in my room. That's what the $500 a month gets you. As long as you're a room member, active at $500, you get a boot camp every single month where I go over the entire course. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Sunil, remind me, I'll tell you how to pay for the room in a little bit. Yeah, ATVI just had a nice bounce up at buck and change. Roblex is dead. Guys, can I tell everybody everything in both rooms? This market is done till 2 o'clock. That's it. We ain't getting anything. I don't even like Microsoft. It's going too slow. ARVL. All right, ARVL, it's almost up $2 from where it was this morning. All right, yeah, before we go, let's talk about some VIX options. We'll do a couple of lotteries for tonight. Oh, let's look at the VIX. We'll put up options. All right. So we're trading at 31. 28 puts are 5 cents. That's down $3. 35 calls are 22 cents. That's up $3.50. So most of the volatility is going to be to the upside. People think that we might get a pullback in the market, right? We might. But to me, you know, for 12 cents, I'm going to buy a 29 put. This market keeps ripping up for the next couple of days. We could go down to 29. So I'm going to buy 2 of them. I'm just going to buy one just to show you guys how to do it. So I'm buying one of those options for 12 cents. Most I could lose is $12. We needed the VXX to go down below 29 in the next couple of days. Ah, gotcha, Alan. Excellent. So I go to my options chain. I bring it up. I hit submit. And I just bought a 29 put in the VXX for 12 cents. Now, let's say we think the market's going to tank a lanker. All right. I will go to 35 calls. The market tanks in the next 3 days. And one of these cost me $24. Boom, boom, boom. So I'll explain what I did now. Okay. So I bought a 29 put in the VXX. What does that mean? That I think that VXX, if the market really rips up the next couple of days, can go to start going down towards that 29 level. If it starts going down towards that 29 level, we will start making money on that option. I also bought a 35 call. What that means is if the market really starts tanking down and we start going up in this to 32, 33, 34, we'll start making money in the call. So basically what I'm hoping on is a lot of volatility. If there is no volatility, the most I could lose is $24 and $12, 36 bucks. So really, it's just a way of us doing a little something to see if we can get a big move in the market either way. So that's what I'm doing in the options. The most I could lose is 36 bucks. If you did 5 of each of these, the most you can lose is 360 bucks. So that is a simple buying a call, buying a put. We need a big move in the market one way or another for us to make any money. So that's what I'm doing with that stuff. Been trading mostly 10 years. Long past year, I got more interested in day trading. Been following the channel of couples and already feel sharper. Yeah, there you go. Hey, it's a different ball game. Problems. And I'm the first one to tell you that. It is a different ball game. Completely different. And it's something that it's a learned skill. That's all. You guys grab some UONE? Is that what you guys are talking about? You want to grab some up here? Stock still looks good on the daily, UONE, right? All right, let's talk about that. The most I can lose is 36 bucks. Okay, good. Let's say the market gets absolutely decimated, Ken, and VXX goes up to $35. right, in the next day. What we paid 24 cents from will probably spike up to $2, and we'll make 10 times our money if that happens. You could do a strangle, but a lot of people don't understand that. So that's why I'm doing it this way. And if the market rips up and makes all-time highs and this starts going down to 29 or lower, if it goes to 27, we'll make $200 per contract. So technically, the amount of money we can make is almost unlimited. But we only have 2 days. Chances are neither of them will happen. To me, it was a way to invest $35 so we can just, in case we get a big move in the market one way or another, maybe we can make a couple of banana skins. And I wanted to show people how to do it. Yeah, it depends on how much it moves. That is correct. I don't even like Roblex at 83.20, guys. How can we like that? It's just dead. It's going so slow. I don't see it. I don't see anything anymore. And I'm telling you guys right now, we are dead till 2 o'clock. That's it. Right. And we could get a knee jerk, okay, Ken, where we can make money on one and then it settles in and we can make money on the other one. So we can sell these at any time. Let's say at 2 o'clock, okay? We're watching the market. They come out, they make their statement, and the spiders all of a sudden tank down 3 points. Well, the call that we bought is going to spike way up, and we can just sell it. We can sell it at 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents. So you don't have to stay in these till expiration. If we get a move in the spiders of 2 or 3 points in either direction, we're going to make money in those. If. So that's what I'm just counting on a little volatility. That's all. Doesn't have to get to those levels, and we don't have to hold it the whole time. I don't know about the best, Whitney, but I'm here trying to help people. And bottom line, we make a little more money than we lose. ORPH is handing out cash. Handing it out. I don't know how you just got a buck out of it. The stock went up at most like 60, 70 cents, but it's nice. Yeah, we talked about it. It's definitely a better buy than sell. All
David,
right,
how we
here's
doing?
my cue. I got to talk about one more thing before you kick me out, Aaron.
Yes, sir.
And probably the most important thing, right? And we need to pop this up there for all the Benzinga people too. Benzinga Pro, Benzinga. Having the news service along with all the other stuff that we're using is mega important, okay? I mean, half the people in my room are signed up to Benzinga Pro. I just want to point something out this morning. Guys, who gave the good trade in that was posted on Benzinga Pro this morning where the stock went up $1? A couple of people in my room got this, Aaron. Early in the morning, something was posted on Benzinga. And it was a cheap stock, but a couple of them grabbed like 2,000-3,000 shares of it. It went up $1. So I can't tell you guys. Go ahead.
I was just going to say I'm going to throw a link in the chat. And if anyone who hasn't signed up yet, you can do a 2-week free trial, risk-free. Just see how you like it. You don't want to buy it after 2 weeks. No worries. But you got a free trial to check it out, so you have no reason not to. Link should be in the description as well. Here it is in the chat.
Beautiful. Here was the stock, guys, just so everybody knows, okay? APRE. Somebody got an alert from Benzinga. It was one of the stocks they were watching. It was $5, and it went up to $7. So a lot of people took advantage of this trade. So, the cost of Benzinga Pro, for whatever it is, $190 a month or whatever, I mean, this just paid for 2 years' worth of it if you grab 2,000 shares of this stock. So that's how important it is to put the news in connection with your technical analysis and everything else that you use. Yeah, my guys just said, 3 guys in the room, Aaron, just said Benzinga Pro paid for itself for a year with that trade. So there you go. Plus, they have all sorts of scanners and everything. It's just an incredible service. I couldn't trade without it. And honestly, you guys shouldn't be trading without it either. All right, that's all I have to say about everything.
All right, awesome, David. Well, unfortunately, we won't be with you tomorrow, but next week, next Monday, we will be back. More Wall Street Global Trading Academy. And yeah, thank you again, David. Can't thank you enough.
My pleasure, guys. You can swing on over to my room now, greenroom-live.com. Hit the Zoom button. Thank you, Aaron. We'll talk soon.
Boom, shakalaka. See you, David.
Boom, now they're getting my sayings. Boom, chakalaka. Over and out.